In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track invites on Discord. Discord, the digital meeting space for gamers, developers, and hobbyists alike, is a hive of activity where invites are the golden tickets to exclusive communities. If you're managing a server, understanding how to track these invites is crucial in growing your community and safeguarding it against unwanted guests. Today, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring you're equipped to keep tabs on who's joining your server and how they're finding their way to you. First, let's head over to Discord. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing discord.com/login into the address bar. This will bring you to the login page where you're one step closer to understanding the flow of new members into your server. Once you've arrived at the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Start by typing your email into the designated field. This email is the key to your Discord account, so make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any access issues. Following your email, the next step is to enter your password. Remember, your password is the shield that protects your account, so keep it complex and confidential. After your credentials are entered, you'll see the login button waiting for you. Give it a click to move forward. If all your details were correct, Discord will now whisk you away to its home, where your digital community and conversations await. Upon arriving at the Discord homepage, you'll find yourself at the heart of your Discord experience. Here, all the servers you're a part of are displayed, each one an ecosystem of its own. But today, we're focusing on tracking invites, so let's locate the server you manage. Click on your server. This action is akin to opening the doors to your digital domain, a place where you guide the culture and conversation. Navigating further into your server's specific universe, look for the Settings option. This button, often represented by a gear icon, is your gateway to the behind the scenes of your server management. Within the Settings menu, seek out the Invites option. This is where Discord holds the key to understanding your server's growth and security. The Invites menu will provide you with a detailed list of active invite links, who created them, and how many members have joined using each link. It's a comprehensive look at your server's doorway, giving you the insight to make informed decisions about your community's access. This part of the process is crucial for several reasons. By examining who's coming into your server and how they found their way to you, you can identify growth patterns, pinpoint successful community outreach strategies, and detect any unusual spikes in memberships that might indicate spam or bot activity. Furthermore, if you have a team helping you manage the server, this section can help you understand each member's contribution to growing the community. Tracking invites on Discord not only helps you grow your community with the right members, but also ensures the safety and integrity of your digital space. It's about cultivating an environment that reflects the values and interests of its members. Remember, the health of your Discord server hinges on understanding and managing how new members find their way to you. By keeping an eye on your invite tracking, you're taking a proactive step in shaping a vibrant and engaged community. And there we have it. You've just taken a significant step towards mastering your server's dynamics and ensuring its continued growth and safety. Discord is a powerful platform for bringing people together, and by managing how new members join, you can safeguard your community's culture and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a seasoned server manager or just starting, understanding the mechanics of invites on Discord is an essential skill in your digital toolkit. Keep exploring, keep learning, and here's to building a thriving community on Discord.